I want to talk about this jump starter that TREKURE sent me to do a video on. These things are absolutely phenomenal. I live up in the Northeast and we get cold winters. Cold winters are very bad for batteries. And this also comes with an instruction manual, get you started. Comes with a bag for keeping everything together and organized in your vehicle. Right here, charging cable, USB to USB-C. And right here are the jumper cables. And taking a look at the main unit itself, this thing is pretty slick, pretty sleek. I like it. Right here, you have a handle if you want to use it that way, carrying it around. You have that option, one button operation to turn it on. And additionally, right down here, you have a light. So if you're working in the dark, this is going to help you see exactly what you're doing. Right here on top, right here is where you're going to plug in the jumper cables. And you can see right here looking at them, they are specific. One is round, one is square, and it same right here. So you can't plug them in wrong. It's going to make you plug them in correctly, so you don't need to worry about that. You also have a USB-C for charging, and you can use this as a power bank as well. If you have a device that you need to charge, you can reverse the charge on this to charge up your devices. And using one of these, extremely easy. You see right here, I've got the hood open, and you're simply going to hook up the battery to the power bank. You're going to take the red cable, put it to the positive, red to red, and the black to your black post, negative to negative. And after that, you're going to give it about a second or two, no more than 15 seconds. Go inside and turn over your vehicle, and that should do the trick for you. But if you've ever had your car die at the worst time, this is one of the things you really wish you want to have in your truck, in your trunk, wherever. It's a portable 6,000 amp car jump starter, and what makes this one stand out right away is the amount of power it delivers. It's got up to 6,000 amps peak current. That's designed to start just about anything from standard cars to larger vehicles like SUVs, and it's even going to handle diesel engines. So instead of waiting around for someone to help you or calling roadside assistance, you can simply handle it yourself in a matter of minutes. Another big advantage, the high capacity battery. This unit is built to give multiple jump starts on a single charge, so it's not just a one-time use tool. It's something you can rely on long term. And because it's compact and portable, you can keep it in your glove box or your trunk and just about forget about it until you actually need it. What I really like about this is how simple it is to use. You just connect the clamps, power it on, and start your vehicle. It also includes built-in safety protections, so you don't have to worry about things like reverse polarity or incorrect connections. That can be a problem. This makes it beginner friendly even if you've never used a jump starter before. It's also more than just a jump starter. This doubles as a portable power bank, so you can charge your phone, tablet, or other devices. That's especially useful on long trips or during emergencies. And there's usually a built-in LED flashlight, which comes handy if you're dealing with a dead battery at night or in low light conditions. Another thing worth mentioning is reliability. These types of jump starters are designed to work in a wide range of temperatures, so whether it's hot summer weather or colder conditions in the winter, you can still count it to perform when you're going to need it most. In terms of who this is for, I'd say honestly it's one of those products everyone should have. Everyone in my family has one in their vehicle. It's perfect for daily drivers, road trips, emergency preparedness, or anyone who doesn't rely on other people when their battery dies. And because it's compact, it doesn't take up much space, but adds a huge level of convenience and peace of mind. Overall, I'd say this is one of those tools you hopefully don't need often, but when you do, it can save you a ton of money, time, and stress. Dead battery means that you can be stranded out in the middle of nowhere. One of these is better than jumper cables. This effectively eliminates the need for the second vehicle when you have a dead battery. If you use jumper cables, you need two vehicles to jump you. This right here eliminates that second vehicle. So it's going to be extremely valuable if you're out in the woods somewhere, away from population where there's no one around. You can get yourself out of trouble with these really easily. If you'd like to pick one up for yourself, click on the link in the description below.